Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about start of month, start of quarter and start of year. So all these three functions we are going to cover in this video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So before going to the demo, please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I am talking on today's video. So I am trying to cover all kind of examples with all the functions so that you'll get more command and DAX. So for timing, already I have prepared a report for today's demo purpose. Let me explain step by step by what kind of measures I have created for this report. So before getting to the details, so these are the tables I have imported. So category, customer and geography, internet sales, product sales territory and subcategory. So these tables I have imported from the input source. And also go to the model tab. So here we can see what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important. So we need to understand how the data is direction is moving from one direction to many. So basically for all these tables I have created a relationship one to many direction. Okay, I'll go to the report pane. So here I have matrix as well in this 2001 and 2000. What are the months available? July, August in 2002 and 2003 under this months. So here, so for the respect we have the total sales. But in case if you want to see the start of month, what are the month we have started, if you want to see the total sales, how to represent a start of quarter and start of year. So how to see this kind of requirements? For that we have three functions: start of month function as well as start of quarter and start of year. So I'll try to see. So start of month. So here by using start of month function, we'll try to find the start of month value for that any kind of context. So in this context, in 2001 under the July month, what is the start of month sales? Okay, in August, what is the start of month? In September, what is the start? As well as same thing, what is the start quarter sales for starting quarter sales in 2001? Okay, usually we have 4 quarters for every year. So for example, in 2000 sales are starting from July month onwards. That is the reason we don't see the previous sales. And also for the start of year, we don't have sales for the start of this years. That is the reason we are getting the blank. Okay, but when it comes to 2002, we can see clearly. So January wise 31.85. For this quarter we have 3 months: January, February, March. Same thing is repeating. But when it comes to year, start of year, it will be applicable to the entire year because this is the start of year sales under 2002. Okay, same thing in 2003 also we can see that January wise. So in this context, so what is the start of month sales and February, March. So I'll try to open these methods also, measures start of quarter as well as start of year. Start of quarter, so I'll try to zoom it. Start of quarter by using calculate, I have declared a variable. So within this variable, so I'm using the calculate sum x as well as start of quarter. Finally I'm returning if the total sales are blank, so return the blank value, otherwise return this variable. Okay, so likewise start of quarter expression I have written in this measure. And also we'll go to the start of year. Here same thing, so I'm just replacing this function only. In last two measures I have mentioned start of month as well as start of quarter, but in this measure I have used the start of year. And finally I'm checking if the cells are blank or not. If the cells are blank, it will return the blank value. If it is not blank, it returns these variables. Okay, So likewise it gives the start of month sales for each month wise as well as year wise. I'll go to the another page. In this I have, this is a table visual. In this I have used the date. Okay, in each date wise, what is the start of month, start of quarter, and start of year. For example, if we see here start of month means it will applicable to the entire July month. See, up to 31st of July we will see 5.56 only. But when it comes to start of quarter means it will repeat for the 3 months, because one quarter equal to 3 months. When it comes to start of year, you will see the blank value, because in this 2001 the sales are starting from the July month, so we don't have sales for the January 1st in 2001, so that is the reason we are getting the blank value for the 2001. But from 2002 onwards we have the sales, that is the reason we can able to see 31.85 for the entire year of the 2002. So in 2002 also we can see the 31.85 until January. After January ends, it will start from different sales in February, because for the February 1st we have different sales 11.88, but for the quarter it will repeat for the 3 months, January, February, March. So likewise we can display the start of quarter, month, year sales for any dates. So that's all. It's very easy function, these three functions. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please feel free to drop comments or send me an email. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for watching.